This is an Audi A4 S5, equipped with the MIB system. The original center console looks like this. Now we will demonstrate how to replace the OEM screen with our Linux screen. Please pry open the right side cover and unscrew all the screws indicated by the arrows to remove the glove box. Please unscrew all the screws indicated by the arrows, and pry open the cover on the left side to remove the air conditioning panel. Please unscrew all the screws indicated by the arrows and remove the air conditioner vent panel. Please unscrew the screw indicated by the arrow and remove the OEM screen. Use a special tool to pull out the OEM head unit. Please unplug the power cable from the back of the OEM head unit and connect it to our power cable. Return the OEM head unit to its original position and thread the new screen power cable through the screen location, leaving the USB cables in the glove box. Please secure the new bracket. Please restore the air conditioner vent panel. Please connect the new screen power cable and OEM LUVDS cable to test if the new screen is working properly. If the OEM interface is not displaying correctly, please select the correct resolution. If there are no problems, please turn off the engine. Secure the remaining screws. Please move the clips on the OEM bracket cover to the two new bracket covers. Please close the back covers and tighten the screws. Please restore the air conditioner panel. Please restore the glove box and the left and right side covers.
A few moments later.